Hello, welcome. This is Aziz Moidin. So let me take you around how to subscribe to Flow AI. So having subscribed to your Google Gemini, so then you can go straight to your Flow AI. So go to your Chrome. So come to your search bar and type Flow AI. So you can see it here from Google Labs. Click it. So this is the interface that you will see. So, but make sure the email, the same email you subscribe with to your Google Gemini is the same email you are using to your Flow. So come to create Flow. Loading. So it's asking you for the email as you use for the Google Gemini. So the email you want to use for your Flow, so but make sure it's the one you use for the Google Gemini is the same thing you are using for your Flow. So for mine, the one I use is moidin94 at gmail.com. So now it says experience and shape AI tools for creativity. Labs.google/fx is a place where people can experience and give feedback on some of Google's latest AI technologies. Our goal is to learn, improve, and innovate on responsible AI together. So, I would like to receive marketing emails. If you like, you can tap it. So, if you don't like it, you leave it. So, the other one I would like, so let me be overing on what I'm talking about. So this is the first one I said. I would like to receive marketing email. If you like, you can click it here, or yeah, you click it, or otherwise you leave it alone. Then the other one, I would like to receive research innovations. So you can click it. If you don't want it, you can leave it. So but for me, I usually love clicking this kind of information options because you get more information with those you get more informed with things like this. So let's say I click this, I also click this. So the next thing is next. So review privacy policy, so you can read all these ones in order to save time. So let's scroll down. So continue, you can continue from here. So now you can see, so this is exactly what I was talking about. So uh look at my logo here. You can see that M stands for the beginning of the email I use, which is moidin94 at gmail.com. While you are seeing uh, pro beside it, is because I've subscribed to the Google Gemini, so and I've upgraded it to Pro. So if you want to learn more about how to subscribe to the Google Gemini, you can move straight forward to one of my videos that I've done. uh, the title is how to subscribe to Google Gemini, so you can learn more about that there. So now let's move straight forward. So now you can see create a project to start. So now, so this here you can see new project. So let's click new project. So now, so you have uh, several options to pick from here. So now, looking at this you can see what is written here. Type in the prompt, type in the prompt box to start. So this is the prompt box. This is the prompt box here. So you can see this is an option: text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video. So what we want to use now is text to video. So this frames to video is referring to pictures to video, and this ingredients to video, that's this ingredients to video is related to uh, ultra flow ultra. You understand? So what we subscribe for is the premium, but if you subscribe for the ultra, that's when you have access to these ingredients to video. So now we are using text to video. So then you come to this other side. So you can see what is written here is VO3. So you can see this output per one. This output per prompt is written one here. So this means if you want your prompts to generate uh, one output for you, that is anything you type you want one output, this is what you write here. If you want it to have more than one output, maybe two outputs, then you come to this arrow, this inverted arrow, two outputs, three output, four. So the maximum output it can generate per prompt is 4. So but we will stick to 1. The reason why we stick to 1 is that the more the output you choose, the higher the output, then the more you consume your credits. So now look at down here, you can see that it's written that each generation uses 20 credits based on your current settings. You understand? So if you use, let's say for instance, I use 2. So that means if you are generating this, if you are generating this video here, so this is going to be 20 into 2 places, which is going to be 40 credits per your generation. So now let's come to this model. This VO3, this VO3. So you can say this VO3 will give you both video and audio at the same time. If you choose VO2, you are going to get only videos. So your prompt is going to generate only videos without audio. But once you choose VO3, then you are going to generate both videos and audios with good qualities. So now, so the prompts you want to generate here is categorized in different ways. If you like, you can type your prompts here. You can start typing. So I'm just typing jargon, so let me clean it off. So you can start typing this. So that's if you know what you want to type there. But the system I usually use is that I go to chat GPT. I will generate a prompt. So let me go to chat GPT. Let me choose one of the prompts that I've done. Okay, so this is the way I generate my own prompts. So I come to chat GPT. So let me go to some of one of the prompts that I've generated. before. So this Sartec, this this company is for a friend of mine that I generated an advert for. So let me click it. So I have a lot, several uh, scenes here. Meanwhile, I did a lot of modifications just to get the best that I want. But let me take one of the scenes. Let me take this scene 9. So let me select it. So you can see it. So what is generated here, you can see this visual description. So let's say it says a sleek area shot of the completed Sartec Multiventures building fits in. The Sartec Multiventures logo is boldly displayed. So then a glowing map pin drops on Ogbomoso, Oyo State, on a subtitle and a subtle map overlay. So you can see that after this is the visual aspect. So the one down here is the voiceover. You can see the voiceover says call Sartec. So you can see the way I spell Sartec here, because the Sartec, the way AI, the way ChatGPT is saying what I said here is that it's calling it as SAH Tech. So I need to correct ChatGPT that what I want the pronunciation to be is this Sartec, but not that spelling. So say call Sartec Multiventures today on 0806 827 2716. So Sartec Multiventures, trusted, affordable, original gadgets always. So now let's copy this, then let's go straight to our flow. You are in our flow here. So loading. Okay, I think I've done this before. I've done this. I've done this. So get started. So now, so paste the prompt here. The prompt has been pasted here. Okay, paste it here. Just pasted here. Then move. So just started generating the video. So and the video will comes, it will come with the voice. So it's at 17%, 18, 19. So let's wait a little bit. So I think in less than 1 minute it's going to be done. So this is at 57, 59, 60%. I think in less than 30 seconds it's going to be done. Then you see the okay, I think it's generating the, yeah, fine. So it has generated the video for me. So now let's play the video.
Call Sartec Multiventures today on 0806 827 2.
So That's
Call
awesome.
Satec Multiventures
This
today on 0.
so this is very nice. So you can see the way this thing generates video just from prompts. So this is very nice. Even this building that you are seeing here was generated through the prompts.
0806.
It even writes the Satec, it writes it on the building of the wall, on the glass of the building, as if it's just built like that. So now, so you can see the maximum VO3 can generate for you is 8 seconds. You can see it's 8 seconds, so that's the maximum it can be able to generate for you. I'm coming. So I think it's still loading a little bit, but meanwhile, so the maximum length it can generate is 8 seconds. So if you are trying to do a longer video, maybe let's say 1 minute, 2 minutes, so then you have to do it in batches. 8 seconds, 8 seconds, 8 seconds, then you add them together, you join them together, you go straight forward to your editing app. So either InShot, I use InShot because it's cheaper. So you go to your editing app, either InShot or CapCut, you match them together and it becomes a single video. So now let me download from here now. So let's come to this place. No. So let's go to this expand. So let's reduce it. So let's download. So from this download, before you download it completely, come to this upscaled. So you have to upscale your video to have clearer visuals and clearer sound. So upscale. So the upscale is not eating any credit. So just upscale. You can see upscaling your video costs 0 credits. This may take a few minutes. So let's wait for it, maybe in 1 minute or in 1.5 minutes. So like I said initially, so uh every video you generate, that's a video of 8 seconds that you generate, so you would have consumed 20 credits, and 1000 credits comes with Flow. That's the after you have made the subscription, they'll give you 1000 free credits. So if you have exhausted it, then you have to upgrade the credits, so you buy more credits. So like I said, so the first month you have to make sure you remove your subscription before the end of that first month. So, and I from the initial video that I did about Google Gemini, so you go to your Play Store. From there you remove the your subscription, from there. So let's wait a little bit. It's still upscaling the video. So once this video is being upscaled, then you will download it and you have it on your device. So let's wait a little bit. So now finished upscaling. You can see it here, finished upscaling. So now you can now download. You can see file downloaded. So it has downloaded to my device. So that's fine. So that's how to use your Flow to generate video. Thank you very much. See you next time.